Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the blood mutated block and escape tsunami for brain rots. So if you're looking for the most aggressive mutation in the game, the blood mutated lucky block has arrived in escape tsunami for brain rots. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So the block is actually spread around the area. You can find it around the area in here. And as for me, I got it in the secret area. So you can just find it here. And I'm going to show you how it look like. So the blood secret blocks looking like this. So it in red color and with the blood text on it. And I'm going to show you what I got from the block. Okay, so let me show you. Let's click on the block and see what I got. Okay, so I got the Las Combinaciones in level 91 and blood mutations. So that's how you can get the blood mutated brain rots or blood lucky block. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.